Hey there guys, this is John Henry Sheridan with John Henry Guitar Lessons. I'm going live from Bath Beach, Brooklyn, where I teach guitar lessons on Saturdays. Alright, so I'm not going to teach how to play pentatonic scale in this lesson. There are many videos that teach how to do that, so please check them out if you need to. Particularly, I guess A pentatonic would be an easy place to start. A minor pentatonic scale. Okay, so I'm assuming you know the pentatonic scale. And I'm going to show you some ways to practice it that I find useful. So the first way I call 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Okay, and you can do it a couple different ways. I'm going to give you 2 ideas. So for purposes of demonstrating, I'll just use down picking for now, for purpose of teaching, and then I may demonstrate with alternate picking. Down picking is just hitting the string at a downward motion. Alternate picking is down and up. Okay, you could obviously go faster if you do down up. So I'm going to start at the 12th fret, and this is at the 12th fret. I'm going to do it 1 time. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, meaning 1 time. I'm repeating the top note. Slide down to the 11th fret and do it 2 times per note. Oops, and going down. Yes, I missed a note. Okay, and then now 3 times per note at the 10th fret. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And 4 times per note at the 9th fret. Okay, so I will demonstrate that in another way. Sorry, I'm going to just back up my chair a tiny bit so you can see my beautiful face too. So I'm going to demonstrate it using alternate picking, and for the 1 time per note, I'm going to play from 12, 11, 10, and 9. Then I'm going to switch to 2 times per note for the, 1 time per note would be 12, 11, 10. 2 times per note would be 9, 8, 7. 3 times per note will be 6, 5, 4. 4 times per note would be 3, 2, and 1. And and I'll do it to a metronome probably. I'm not going to use it right now because I'm going to probably speed up as I go. So here we go. 1 time per note, alternate picking, and I'm repeating the top note. You don't have to. And by the way, if I'm flubbing, you may flub too, and you make a mistake as you're practicing. That's part of practicing, okay? That's why we practice. We don't beat ourselves up over it. And even though, oops, can't do that. Even though I'm a teacher, I'm still quite human. And being a teacher, sometimes I don't really practice that much because I'm teaching a lot. So this is benefiting me too because I'm practicing. Thank you so much. Okay, so now going to 2 times per note from the 9th through the 7th fret. 9, 8, and 7. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. very lackluster video because this is what practice is. It's not flashy. It's a little bit boring is not the right word. It's a little bit it's very simple, right? So it's repetitive. It's basic. It could be complex too, depending, but the idea of sitting down and repeating things over and over again is a very basic and simple thing. It's not flashy. So practice looks like this, right? 3 times per note, going from 6, 5, and 4, 6th, 5th, and 4th fret. I'm going to do 3 times per note on each one. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now 4 times per note on the 3rd, 2nd, and 1st fret. Here we go. As you can hear, playing the pentatonic scale in different ways like this can lead to some creative ideas. New riffs, solo ideas. It's not about doing perfect, but it's expanding your mind, building strength, improving your timing, and your relationship with the scale itself. All right, so that's 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time exercise. The next exercise is called, I like to call 3 strings at a time. So there are 6 strings on the guitar. So first we do the trio of B6, A5, D4, those 3 strings together. Then we do A5, D4, G3. And then we're going to do D4, G3, B2, and then finally G3, B2, E4, E1. And then we're going to do it backwards. So E1, B2, G3, next trio, B2, G3, D4, next trio, G3, D4, A5, next trio, D4, A5, E6. So this is what I mean. So you take the pentatonic scale, let's take it at 5 for now. Okay. Now we do 3 strings at a time. 1, 2nd string, 3rd string. So I'm going to put that together. And then I'm going to do the next 3 strings on the A, D, and G string. Then I'm going to play the scale from the D, G, and B string. And then from the G, B, and E string. You get the idea, guys? So yeah, a closer look. That's 3 strings, next 3 strings. Next 3 strings. Next 3 strings. And going backwards, strings. Next 3 strings. Next 3 strings. And the next 3 strings. Okay, so what that sounds like when you do it smoothly. All down picking. And then going backwards. Now feel free to take it nice and slow. putting a break in between each group of 3 strings if you need to. The main thing is that you really comprehend what you're doing and it sounds clean and clear. Speed is not the priority in the beginning. It might never be the priority depending on what kind of player you are, but if it is the priority, let it come a little later. You can fool around with it, but if you can't play it slow, you can't play it fast. I do believe that. If you really can't play it slow, you can't play it fast for real. You can fake it maybe, but okay, so now I'm going to just do that from the 12th fret down to the 1st fret, so you see what that looks like and sounds like. Actually, I'm going to skip and go every other fret, starting at 12 and ending on 0 with alternate picking. As you can see, this could be a pretty cool lick in a guitar solo, which I've definitely used before. Okay, and before we go, I'm going to leave you with a little jam and with the distortion sound. And here we go. I'm just going to jam pentatonic scale, just kind of randomly. Another key. New key. Alright, thank you. I hope you got something out of it. If you did, please leave a comment. Let me know what you got out of it. And please like it. Share it if you find it worth sharing. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And until the next video, keep jamming and keep that pentatonic scale moving along. It's John Henry Sheridan signing off and out.